Hello, freelancers. Imagine working with the waves of the ocean in the background. In this section, we will be sharing with you some amazing freelance gigs that allow you to work from anywhere. Whether it's your cozy home or a tropical beach, get ready to find the ultimate work-life balance. Today, we're going to be talking about an online translation job opportunity with a company called Oneliner. Their virtual headquarters may be in Belgium, but they have a fully remote team of top professionals spread all over the world. To find available positions, you can simply click on the Jobs section of their website to get the details on how to apply. For those of you looking for more translation and interpretation opportunities, we have a PDF book that contains over 1,000 translation and interpretation jobs. It's available for purchase at ko-fi.com and also on amazon.com. Check the link in the description and take your skills to the next level. If you want to watch more videos like this, please check out this playlist.